Welcome to our guide on how to approve friend requests on Discord, especially with the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official website. Once it's up and running, you'll be ready to connect with friends. Next, look for the Discord logo in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. This will take you back to the main menu where you can navigate through various options. Now make sure you have the Friends tab selected. This is where all your friend interactions happen, including requests and connections. If you're not on this tab, you won't see the friend requests you've received. Once you're in the Friends tab, look for the option labeled Pending. Clicking on this will display all the friend requests waiting for your approval. It's a straightforward way to manage your connections and see who wants to be your friend on Discord. Finally, next to each friend request, you'll find an Accept button. Simply click on it to approve the request. It's that easy. If you change your mind, you can always choose to decline instead. And there you have it. You've successfully approved a friend request on Discord. Connecting with friends is just a few clicks away, and with this new update, managing your friend list is easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively.